Okay guys, here's some revised drawings of the front desk reception area. So taking some of those sketches and drawing them out, this wall comes out now, I believe, about 5 feet. It has 66 inches. And the walkway here, we have about 38 inches. In between the countertop, from countertop edge to countertop edge, 61 inches. So what that looks like is a desk seating area here and a second one in this corner if she still wants to face this direction. And we would have a 42-inch countertop that's about 12 inches at overhang, maybe an inch on this side, and the rest on the back side. But this would be at 42-inch elevation, 42 along here, the ADA counter, and then again 42 right here. So the 3D rendering of this, it's a little tricky to look at that other side with that tight angle. So these are 16 inches deep for charts. So I know possibly in the future those are might go away, but for the time being, here's some storage, and if we do digitize, then this is still usable storage. But file drawers here is the standard cabinet with an adjustable shelf and a 3-drawer stack. Upper cabinets, these are 14 deep and these are 16 deep. And on the other side, a cubby, there'd be a second cubby over here just for paperwork throughout the day coming and going, and then a file drawer left and right, 3-drawer stack. So this is a workstation. This is the 40-inch wide, 40 and 1/8 inch wide opening into that area, and file drawers on either side of that. And this is all open knee space under here. And you have seen the video from the rooms. The lab room, just touch on that quickly here. And you can see the price and the estimate, a little tight in there. And there's a line item price for replacing just the doors on those upper cabinets. The lab, the utility room on the corner. This is just the base cabinet layout. And then the cabinet at the end of the hallway. Uppers, and then just the countertop area. So there you are. Take a look at those. Let me know what you think. Any questions? Let me know. Thanks, guys.